Hey, if you guys like jewelry inspiration and craft making and some great shopping hauls and some paper crafting, card making, things like that, make sure you hit like and subscribe and hit the little bell on the side so you don't miss anything. Okay, so I found some more butterflies along with this one. I have this one. Let's see, this one. So I have all the Tim Holtz stuff. And all the stuff has a steampunk feel to it. It could or could not be steampunk. It's up to you what you want to make. I'd call it something else, but I'm going to make sure that that looks good, okay? So I'm going to finish this one because I really want to see how it looks, and I want you guys to see. Even though it's not really dry yet, I'd recommend waiting, but I can't wait because I want to see, right? Okay, so let's see. Uh-oh. Having glue issues here. Okay, so let's go ahead. And again, not too heavy-handed with the glue, because y'all know I can be heavy-handed. Just like that. Okay. So where's my here are my tweezers. Okay. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. Pretty. Let's see. I'm going to place these around. Oh, but you know what? I can put some other colors on it. That's too big. I can put some other colors on the top, huh? For the crown. What happened to... Oh, wait. Here we go. Got some little ones. Let me see. What color should we add? Pink, maybe? I'm always going to add pink, huh? Let's see. My stash. So, yeah, you can, for this kind of project, you can dig through your stash and see what you have to add. You know, see what works and what doesn't. If you have an idea in mind. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes! Yes! That's what we're using. Sorry, I'm getting excited. Wait a minute. Let's just place it here. Oh, guys, that's so cute. Do we not love? Oh, well, we'll figure it out. We'll put them on there some kind of how. They'll be on there. Don't you worry. I just wanted to place them to see how they look. Because, you know, if it looks crazy, we're not going to do it. But then again, if it looks crazy, we just might. I've made some crazy looking stuff in the past. I'm sure you have too, right? So hold on. Wait a minute. This one's not my friend. Ah! Not my friend. You know what? I might save this for the next project. I just want to show you how I make these, guys. So, all right. So we're going to add the pinkies. We're going to add pink ones to this. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. Already beautiful, right? All right, so let's go ahead quickly add the pink, and we should be done with this. This is a quick, easy little project. You know, it's nothing too difficult to it. You can even, like I said, layer all these and, you know, add all kinds of stuff to them. So that's what you can do with this. All right. Oh, here, get the strings. So let's get rid of that. And take your tweezers and just gently, if you're not heavy-handed like I am, gently place your crystals there. Now, like I said, I'm going to lacquer these to make sure that they stay. So, yeah, just to make sure. I like that. Look at that, how pretty that is. I'm going to press them all down, too, just to make sure. Put this on here. Just a little dab. I wonder, should I put blue right there? Need a little bit more. A little bit more. Wait, it's not getting off of the... Hold on. I like the idea of the pink there. Okay. Get your tweezers and gently, oh so gently, put that down there. Make sure it's placed where you want it to be. And you can take your little strings and stuff off. Those little strings drive me crazy. All right. All right, there you go. Pretty. So these might fall off. I know somebody's going to, girl, it's going to fall off. No, not necessarily. You know, if you're not rough with it, and once you place them down and get that E6000 on there, it usually holds. I haven't had trouble with crystals falling off using this or even the hypo cement. I just haven't. So You know, I guess if you go throwing it across the room or something, or stepping on it, or yanking on it or something, yeah, it'll fall off. But, you know, usually it stays pretty well. Haven't had any complaints or problems with it, you know, in the past. And I work with a lot of crystals, so around a lot of the Swarovskis on earrings and all kinds of stuff, you know. So, like I said, I'm going to go through and just lacquer it just to make sure. Oh, how cool is that, guys? What? Girl, stop. Done. Now that is your Bling Key borderline steampunk necklace. Right? And you just add your chain, whatever your favorite chain may be, and you're good to go. Oh, I love that. Wait, I had some dark chain. You can add one of these. You can add something like this. This is really cool, right? It's a little chunky, but you know, that's kind of cool. So yeah, you have choices, lots of choices. You have lots of choices. So we're gonna let this dry. And I'm not even sure if I'm gonna add anything else to it. I love it the way it is. You can, if you like, you can add more bling around and, you know, but I think that looks fabulous just the way it is. Isn't that cool? Ooh-wee. Pretty, pretty. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I make my little key bling necklaces. I'm going to show you the finished key bling necklace that we made. I put it on some ball chain, some silver chain, and that's how it looks. I put a little bead on there just to add something, but you can put as many charms on here as you want. So this was just to give you an idea of the sort of, you know, keys with bling and crystals that you could possibly make, you know. Use all your old keys. You can use your Tim Holtz keys or any keys that you have. They usually have to be pretty flat, like I said in earlier. But I think it turned out really cute, right? I had to let it dry, you know, so I could show it to you guys. But isn't that cute? Can you see it? It's focusing. So I'm going to try it on for you. And, yeah. So, let's see. All right, so I put it on. Had some difficulties because I didn't have my glasses on, so I put my glasses on so I could see what I was doing. Well, not really in the back, but you know what I'm saying. So let's get our mirror out so we can see. Oh yeah, how cute. Look at how cute this is, guys. Wow. And it goes with my shirt. Wow, very nice. I love it. You know, it's really cute. It doesn't really go with my earrings, but it's so cute. And I love the length of it too. This is an 18-inch ball chain that I got from Hobby Lobby. It came 3 in a pack. So, isn't this cute? I love it. I might even add a few of these to my shop, guys. So stay tuned. I like these. Tell me if you like this. You like this? I love this, actually. I think you can add as many charms on here as you want. I've seen them with, you know, several charms or a couple of charms. These have been inspired. I was looking on Pinterest and I saw a bunch of keys on there and I thought, oh wow, maybe I can make my own. So this is to encourage you to make your own. You know what I mean? Add your crystals and your, you know, your other little pieces that you may have lying around. You can put it all together and make something really, really fabulous like this. Isn't this cute? Oh, I love it. So then I'm going to show you the finished ones of the other ones I showed you, the key bling necklace. You can see that. Isn't that pretty? And I just added the little charm there. That's kind of almost like a little mermaid scale charm, but it's so pretty. I thought, oh, that's gorgeous. Right? Look how beautiful. Wow, I just love that. Again, very glamorous, but industrial. Has a little steampunk thing going on. Has a little of everything going on. And I absolutely love it. Right? And then let's see our other one here that we put on a ball chain as well. Isn't it beautiful? And I just added another little rhinestone charm on there. Very pretty. You know, you can stick to the color theme or not. It's up to you, but yeah, it's beautiful, right? Absolutely beautiful. And these again are the Tim Holtz keys. They came in the Tim Holtz package. So yeah, very beautiful. Look at that. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So definitely stay tuned to my Etsy shop, Lila Rose Jewelry on Etsy, because a few of these might be in the shop for the holiday season. You know? And what great gifts would these make? How you can make these really easy and simple. These make great gifts. You know, that preferably if you have the Swarovski crystals. I found it just so I can make more of these. So yeah, I found my hypo cement. All right, so that's beautiful. And then I'll show you what this one is. Let's see. This one's also the Key Bling necklace, but it's also with the patina piece. Yeah, beautiful. And it also has a charm on it. That's gorgeous too. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Very unique too, right? All these are so unique and different. I just love all of these. Just beautiful. All of them are so beautiful. All right, guys. Well, thanks for checking out my video. I had to, wait a few days for it to dry and settle in, and then I had to figure out, what chain goes with what and all that sort of thing. So, yeah, gorgeous. Oh, I just love them. And I like that this ball chain, this is kind of old school ball chain, like that. All right. So let's see. How's it look? Let's see. All right, here we go. Struggling a little bit. Struggling. You can't see behind you. It's kind of annoying. Like, don't we need eyes in the back of our head? But look how cute these are. Right? Oh, darling, honey. Yes. On my shirt here, my little pink t-shirt. My mama sent me this shirt. So she's going to be very happy when she sees this video and then I'm wearing the shirt that she sent me. Hey, Ma. She watches my video, so I got to behave myself. But isn't this cute? Oh, I love it. Look how beautiful that is. Like, both of those are gorgeous. Oh, don't we love? Do we love? Let me know what you think of this, guys. Oh, easy, simple to make, all right? Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this fun little key bling necklace video. So make sure you leave me a question or comment if you should have one. And hit that like button and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. You can share this video if you want to. And do make sure you hit the little bell on the side so you can be notified when videos are uploaded. And I will catch you next time. Ciao!